I am sharing today one of the most important ways on how you can be able to make recurring income with PLR products membership website. So I'm talking of PLR membership website, how you can be able to make recurrent income with a membership website. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video I'm going to teach you where you can be able to get the best PLR products and how you can start your membership website and make money using the membership platform that I'm going to introduce you to. Now, this is the dream for many people, right? Everybody wants to make money, but they want to make money through subscriptions, membership, and basically while they sleep or they're traveling, having fun, being in vacations and just making money through these membership platforms. So now this is how you can be able to do it. Now what I do is I encourage you to use WordPress. Okay, if you want to make money with a membership website, use WordPress. Is the number one thing you have to do. Now, why I recommend WordPress is because WordPress gives you the flexibility to be able to add a lot of tools. I mean, like plugins to be able to customize the platform, customize your website, or basically give people opportunity to become members so they can have access to your store, right, when they sign up as a member. So WordPress is a platform I recommend you use. Okay, and then you can use WooCommerce. So WooCommerce is what you're going to integrate within your platform to be able to have all your payment gateways. Now, when you have all these things set up, people can actually be able to sign up as members and have access to those products you have on your website and pay you either monthly subscription or just one-time membership fee. This is the process. So making money with PLR products with a website membership is what is booming right now. And if you truly want to know that, how to practically set up this website and create this website, DM me, just leave a comment and I will reach out to you and I will help you set up your membership website that will help you sell PLR products, and you can be able to make recurrent income because every month people will be automatically deducted. All right, they will be paying you monthly, or it could be one-time fee that they can pay and have access to all the products you have on your website. So basically, this is just a brief or basic information that you need to know on how you can go about having a paid membership recurring income with PLR products. All right, if you need to know more, as I said, drop a comment and I will reach out to you and I will help you basically build that website and start making money online, have passive income and multiple streams of income with PLR products. Plus, I'm encouraging you to check out Resale Rights Empire, where you can have access to all the best PLR products, all right, and even become a member of Resale Rights and have access to all the PLR products that are on Resale Rights, so that once you have your website, you can be able to have access to all the products and list them on your website and charge people a membership fee. So if you like this video, do me a favor, subscribe and make sure you follow me on all the platforms that you can find me, so you can basically learn how you can be able to grow your brand selling digital products online.